Welcome back. This is Issue with Dr. Stan. We are still discussing on the causes of sexlessness in marriage. The fifth one is the belief system. From our African background, from our religion to our culture, we were taught that sex is sin. We were taught that not to engage ourselves in sex, which is true, that sex is not something to be engaged in at that early stage. And of course, I didn't subscribe, I cannot subscribe to it. But the truth remains that some people carry this mentality to their home, to their marriages, which is where they are getting it wrong. You are not supposed to carry that mentality to your home, because sex in marriage is righteousness. It is sex out of marriage that is seen as sin and abomination, both in our religion and in our culture. But when you get to your husband's house, you are supposed to know that anything you do with your husband as it relates to sex is righteousness, acceptable in both in our religion and in our culture. And therefore, you should open up yourself. Some people will carry this belief to their various families, and they believe that the only time they can have sex is when they want to make children. Apart from that, anything sex to them is a turn off, which is not the way it's supposed to do. So this is another point that is very, very important. If you are among the people that is carrying yourself in this manner, that sex is sin, even in your own husband's house, then you are getting it wrong. Number 6, a change in physical attractiveness that brought about the loss of interest between partners. This is a very vital point that we look into. If you are a man and your wife does not like a pot-belly man, and she didn't marry you that way, all of a sudden you started growing pot-belly. My dear, work on yourself. It is enough to turn your wife off. So your physical attractiveness matters too. The way you dress, the way you put yourself together, the way you try to put your figure, put your body, be fit for your wife and for your husband is very, very important. It could cause sexlessness in marriage. So if you are among those that are victim of this, go and work on yourself to help yourself and help your marriage. Number 7, health issues. Health issues can come up. It can bring about sexlessness in marriage, like difficulty in having an erection, like one sickness, one terminal disease or the other could be the reason. But that particular one is what you people should sit down and discuss. And I need the both partners to understand themselves on this issue so that they will move their life forward. Sexlessness in marriage is a cancer, is a destroyer. It can kill your marriage before you know it. It can throw you out of your husband's life without you knowing it. It can make your wife run away from the house. It can disorganize your children, because when both of you are not together, when both of you are not happy, it affects the children. That is why it is necessary that you as a wife, you work on yourself, on anything you think that is bringing about this sexlessness in marriage on your own side. Work on it. That is why as a husband, think and work on yourself over anything you think that is making you to bring about this sexlessness in your marriage. Work on it so that your future, the future of your partner and that of your children will be bright. Thank you for watching, and I beg you again to subscribe to our channel, like, comment. However, tell us your opinion. We want to know. You can also add to this point we just raised. God bless you.